Okay, today we will solve some of the problems that are in exercise 6a. First problem is convert tan theta minus 14 pi into its simplest form. By looking at this equation, this is in the form of tan a minus b, right? Tan a minus b. If you if we assume that a equal to theta and b equal to 14 pi, the given equation is in the form of a minus b. That is one way of solve the problem. What is tan a minus b? Tan a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay. If we expand tan theta minus 14 pi, then it is tan theta minus tan 14 pi divided by 1 plus tan theta into tan 14 pi. Now we should know what is the value of tan 14 pi. Right? Take coordinate system. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is minus x, and this is minus y. We know that tan 0 equal to 0, and this is, let us say, this is theta. Now, what is tan 2 pi? This theta makes an angle rotate in anti-clockwise direction, right? It makes an angle 2 pi. So tan 2 pi equal to again 0. In the same way, if we make one more rotation, that is tan 4 pi, that is equal to 0. In the same way, what is tan 17 pi? If we make 7 rotations, then it is tan 14 pi, right? Tan 14 pi. So tan 14 pi equal to 0. Again, I will explain this one. We know that tan 0 equal to 0. Right? If we make one rotation, then it make an angle 360 degrees. So tan 2 pi equal to 0. If we make one more rotation, that means we make two rotations. So that is 4 pi. 4 pi equal to 0. If we make 7 rotations, that means tan 14 pi equal to 0. We substitute those values, we will get simplest form. Tan pi minus 0 divided by 1 plus tan theta into 0. That is equal to tan theta. So, the simplest form of tan theta minus 14 pi equal to tan theta. Anyone has any questions in this? If no one has questions, just note it down. The only thing we should know here is tan theta is 0. Tan 0 is 0. This we know. If we make same single rotation, that means the angle is 360. 360 is denoted by 2 pi. For every rotation, the same value should be repeated. That is the meaning. If we know this logic, that will be, uh, we can easily solve this problem. Okay, just note it down. I will tell one more way of doing this one. Okay, this is one way, and we have one more way. If you don't know uh, formula tan a minus b, then how to solve this problem? That I will explain now. Okay, write down tan theta minus 14 pi. We know that tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta, right? So we can write this equation tan 14 pi minus theta, right? Minus of minus 14 pi minus theta. Just I make minus common in this equation, right? Theta minus 14 pi can be written as minus bracket 14 pi minus theta. Okay? Now this is in the form of tan minus theta. Tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. This is the equation. As per this equation, this can be written as minus tan 14 pi minus theta, right? Minus. Now come to this coordinate system. This is the coordinate system, right? Here 14 pi can be written as 7 into 2 pi, right? That means we should make 7 rotations in the coordinate system. That is the meaning of 7 into 2 pi. We have to make 7 rotations in the coordinate system, right? That is the meaning. Now, what is 14 pi? This is one rotation, this is second rotation, this is third rotation, like that. So, tan of 7 into 2 pi minus theta. Now we should know in which coordinate this angle should come. We make 7 rotations. After that, minus some angle. If we from after 7 rotations we are here. If we substitute some theta, that means we are in the fourth coordinate. Fourth coordinate, right? And we know that in the first coordinate all angles are positive. We know that all silver teacups form, right? In the first coordinate all angles sine, cos, tan, all are positive. In the second coordinate only sine angle is positive. In the third coordinate only tan is positive. In the fourth coordinate cos angle is positive. So to 14 pi minus theta we are in the fourth coordinate. That means tan of we are in the fourth coordinate, right? So this can minus of tan 7 into 2 pi minus theta, that is minus tan theta, right? Now minus of minus is plus, so finally this is tan theta. This is one way of solving the problem. So here we should know how to rotate in the coordinate systems. That thing we should know, right? Anyone has any questions in this? If no one has any questions, just note it down. Okay. Okay. From this problem, we can derive so many other problems also. Let us say tan theta minus 14 pi, we derive it as a sine tan theta. This is the simplest form. Let us say if anyone asks us to convert tan theta minus 2 pi, right? And tan theta minus 4 pi, and tan theta minus 6 pi. What is the simplest form of all these things? Same thing we can apply. This is in the form of tan a minus b, right? If it is tan a minus b, the formula is tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. If you want to apply, we can apply. Otherwise, we what we have to do is we have to take the coordinate system, and from the coordinate system, this is 2 pi, means if we make one rotation, that means we make an angle of 2 pi. That is the meaning. If we make second rotation, we make an angle of 4 pi. If we make third rotation, we make an angle of 6 pi. That is the meaning. So for all these forms, the simplest form is tan theta. Just now we derive that one, right? So if we generalize this formula, right, in this case, tan theta, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, this is 14, so all even numbers, right? So theta minus 2n into pi, right? So if we make series with this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on 2n, right? So same 2n I have written here. So it is a series of even numbers. So the simplest form of tan theta minus 2n pi is what? Tan theta. Yeah, this is the general form. And from the given problem, tan theta minus 14 pi, we can derive this, right? Tan theta minus 2n pi equal to tan theta. Just note it down then. Yeah. Now write down the second problem. Cot 2 into pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, it is not 2, it is 21. Okay, to solve this type of problems, we should know how to write 21 into pi by 2, these things first, right? 21 into pi by 2 can be written as 10 into, this can be written as 20 into pi by 2 plus 1 pi by 2. 20 into pi by 2 is 10 pi, right? 10 pi plus pi by 2. So apply same this form here. I will write down over here, right? Cot 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Let us assume that alpha equal to pi by 2 minus theta. This can be written as cot 10 into pi plus alpha. What is the value of cot 10 pi plus alpha? This we should know. For this one, again take coordinate system. Right? This is x, this is minus x, this is y, this is minus y, and this is 0 comma 0. If we make one rotation, that is 2 pi, right? If we make one more rotation, that is 4 pi, that we already seen in the previous problem, right? So this can be written as 5 into 2 pi plus alpha. So in which coordinate system this is? This is in the first coordinate. right? This is, see, if you make 5 rotations where you are in the x-axis plus alpha. Alpha means we are in the first coordinate system. Okay, in the first coordinate, all angles are positive. So this can be written as cot alpha. What is alpha? Pi by 2, right? So cot pi by 2 minus theta. What is cot pi by 2 minus theta? That is equal to tan theta. Okay. This is how we able to simplify this equation. Cot 21 pi by 2 minus theta can be written as tan theta. That means if we simplify this equation, we will get tan theta. So the first thing is we should convert 21 into pi by 2 into 20 into pi by 2 plus pi by 2. With, if we can write 21 into pi by 2 like this, right? If we write this one, its value is not changed, right? So 10 into 10 pi, 10 into pi plus pi by 2. After that, 10 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Whatever this pi by 2 minus theta, right? Consider this as a alpha. If just substitute this here, that is 10 pi plus alpha. 10 pi can be written as 5 into 2 pi, right, plus alpha. And again, we make 5 rotations around the x-axis, right? 5 into 2 pi means we make 5 rotations. So this can be written as cot alpha. Again, just substitute alpha, right? So cot pi by 2 minus theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta is tan theta. This is how we able to simplify. If we don't know all these things, just we know the formula, right? Cot a minus b formula, right? Just to substitute 21 into pi by 2 in a and theta in b and simplify that, so that we will get tan theta. This is one way of solving the problem. These are two ways. Okay, just note it down. Okay, next we will write one more problem. Third problem. Convert cosecant 5 pi plus theta. Convert cosecant 5 pi plus theta in the simplest form. Okay. Take 5 pi. How we can write 5 pi? 5 pi can be written as 2 pi, 2 into 2 pi plus pi, right? 5 pi can be written as 2 into 2 pi plus pi. Why I have written 2 pi means 2 pi means we make an one rotation. That is why I am converting like this. Plus theta. So instead of 5 pi, if we write this, we will write this cosecant 2 into 2 pi plus pi plus theta. If we make two rotations, right? Two rotations and consider this as alpha, this can be written as cosecant pi plus theta. Now take coordinates. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. This is minus x, this is minus y, right? Now pi means 180, right? 180 plus some angle. So we will be in third coordinates. We will be in this coordinate. In this coordinate, only tan angle is positive. remaining is negative, right? Okay, for if we make pi plus some angle, pi plus some angle, its value is minus cosecant theta. So the simplest form of cosecant phi pi plus theta is minus cosecant theta. Yes, we know, right? Cosecant of pi plus theta equal to minus cosecant theta. This, suppose cosecant pi minus theta. What is cosecant pi minus theta? This is cosecant theta. Okay, so if we simplify cosecant pi plus theta, we will get minus cosecant theta. Just note it down. Okay, we will solve one more problem, and